It's really incredible what this little capsule is doing for people. Just like Alicia right here, having flu-like symptoms and then started taking these and no congestion, no sore throat. Absolutely amazing. And I'm talking about this oil of oregano with black seed oil from Micro Ingredients. And this is absolutely phenomenal to have. This one bag is gonna last you a long time because it has 300 capsules in it. So if you take these right before you're coming down with something, then that'll last a really long time for you. And really a must-have, especially with the sick season coming up, like cold and flu season, all the viruses going around, kids going back to school, everybody coughing. I really recommend this to everybody that I know. And even better, this is on sale right now. Normally it's like $45 for this whole bag, but it's on sale for like $30, $35 right now. And you might be able to get it for less with the right coupon. So I'll leave the link down below for you. Go check this out.